Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use C Firma Fresh Day Serum. First, let's get it ready. This unique serum comes in two parts to ensure maximum freshness and potency. You'll need to combine the liquid base with the powder vial. Once you've poured the liquid in, securely screw on the pump and shake the bottle for about 60 seconds until everything is completely dissolved. This activates the powerful 15% vitamin C. Now that your serum is activated, let's talk about daily use. In the morning, after cleansing your skin, dispense just one pump of the serum. Apply it evenly to your clean, dry face, neck, and chest. Don't forget to include the backs of your hands for comprehensive benefits. This serum is designed for daily morning use to help protect your skin throughout the day. To maximize the benefits of your C Firma Fresh Day Serum, always remember to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen afterward. This crucial step protects your skin from UV damage. You can also mix one pump of this serum with other Drunk Elephant products, like Hydra, for an enhanced skincare smoothie. This powerful serum, with its 15% L-ascorbic acid, helps protect against pollution and free radicals. Proper storage ensures your serum stays effective. Once activated, your C Firma Fresh Day Serum will remain fresh for approximately 6 months. Keep it in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency. Refrigeration is optional but not required. This serum is packed with antioxidants like 1% vitamin E and 0.5% ferulic acid, working to firm, brighten, and reduce the appearance of fine lines for a radiant glow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.